Okay, coming in the door. We're gonna walk down the right side. Unsweetened peach tea, peach lemonade. There are the prices. Sweetened peach tea. We will come back up that side there and go down through here. Pecan oil. Look, coonskin caps. That was a had to have when we were kids. I got my sons, or my grandsons, I got them one with a double tail and one with a single tail. And she said she will sample anything that they have in here. She'll bring a sample out. So we've already tried some peach cider. It was very good. You got peach preserves. You got peach all kind of stuff. My son-in-law wants hot peach sauce, peach hot sauce, and maybe some peach salsa, coat jam, sweet potato butter, pumpkin butter. Oh look, the General hand grenade honey, bee sting honey. I like that. Bee sting honey. Peach swirl wildflower honey. Georgia peach honey. Anything peach. Frog jam, black bear jam, peach jam, peach salsa. Okay, we're gonna have to get him some peach salsa. Peach swirl hot sauce. I wonder if that's the one he wants. Hot peach sauce. Moonshine pickles, ghost pickles. Oh man, I need to get him some of those and not tell him what they are. If y'all are coming down I-95 or going up I-95, you definitely need to stop here. Zombie brain sauce. Danger close. Bootlegger's style. Peach barbecue sauce. You got peach shirts. Peach clothing. 20% off all shirts, folks. How about that? You can even see if you can grab one of those things. Look, there's Peachy the buck. Peach buck. Butt naked aloe vera soap. That could get interesting, couldn't it? Well, look, out of order. You put some money in and you may get more money out.
One-day sale is the perfect time to get a jump on holiday shopping because you'll find incredible deals on great gift ideas. Plus, it's Star Money bonus days when Star Rewards members can earn Star Money.
Pecans. Crazy candy. Fresh peach bread. Man, I bet that's good. Cinnamon pecan bread. Even have some stuff for survivalists. All kind of stuff here, folks. Man rough. What is man rough? Pecans. Oh, he wanted peach taffy. They wanted some taffy too. Okay, well let's pick us a couple products out. Pick out a couple products. Georgia Peach Whirl pencil. Peach wines. Peanut brittle. Chocolate pecan brittle. Definity. With pecan on it, the way we used to remember it as a kid. Got all kinds of stuff. More gator heads. Peach Whirl wines. Jack Daniel's Southern Peach. There we go. Let's get a few individual shots. Peach slices. Got any spiced peaches? Okay, let's get some single pictures and then we will wrap this up. He also told me to go by the petting zoo. Boy, goats will keep a place cleaned out for you, won't they? Yeah, this place is pretty neat, folks. They got all kind of peach stuff. I mean, about anything you want. Peach this, peach that. Peach Whirl. Hey, Georgia Peach Whirl, folks. If you're on I-95, anywhere near exit 58, you need to come in here and do this. That's Georgia 57 going towards, this would be considered Townsend. That'll take you over to Ludwig, turning and looking north up to I-95, looking east over to Townsend, over to where it and Georgia 99, where it crosses US 17, Georgia 25 at the four-way stop sign there, Eulonia, down in there, and then looking south down I-95. Again, Georgia Peach Whirl. You'll get by it and miss it if you don't pay attention, and it is worth the stop. A lot of great products in there.